Hey urban preppers, no backyard, no problem. Today I'm breaking down 10 essential hacks to get you disaster ready in a tiny apartment or tight city space. Look, I got it. I grew up in Dallas, Texas, and even more appropriately, when I started my prepping journey, I spent the first 15 years of that as active duty, which meant I lived where the Army said I would. And that was generally in a relatively urban environment, which, as you likely know, presents a unique set of challenges as compared to rural areas. And that's exactly what we're going to hit on today with the 10 urban prepper tips. Stick around for a downloadable checklist in the description. Let's maximize your readiness no matter where you live. Hack number 1, vertical storage. Stop cramming stuff under your sink. Go up. Use wall shelves over the door racks and hanging organizers to create way more space for food, water, and gear. Every bit of vertical surface is fair game. Hack number 2, multi-purpose gear. Don't fill up your space with single-use junk. Get a multi-tool, collapsible cookware, a solar charger that powers all your gadgets. The more functions packed into one item, the more room you save. Hack number 3, stash in unused spaces. You've got hidden storage all around you. Slide preps under the bed, inside ottomans, or stash stuff above the kitchen cabinets. Little pro tip for you. Use vacuum sealed bags for bulky clothes and blankets that aren't frequently used. Hack number 4, water storage solutions. Water is your number one need in a crisis. So you want to use stackable water bricks, collapsible containers, or just cleaned out soda bottles to build your stash. Even in a tiny apartment, you can make it work. Hack number 5, compact food preps. Load up on high protein bars, instant oats, and freeze-dried meals. These take up less space and give you tons of calories in a pinch. Just grab and go. Hack number 6, portable power. Power outages happen, especially in cities. Keep power banks, a solar charger, or a hand crank radio or a hand crank radio flashlight, so you're never left in the dark or offline. If you can afford it, I recommend you grab a Jackery solar generator. They're relatively small and ideal for urban dwellings. Hack number 7, hidden in plain sight security. Stash cash, spare keys, or documents in diversion safes like fake books or fake food cans. Outsmart thieves by making important stuff invisible. Hack number 8, bug out bag and ready. Your escape plan starts with your go bag. Keep a 72-hour kit close to your main exit. Clothes, food, water, copies of your IDs, whatever else you need in there to keep you safe. You want to pack it and maintain it until you need it. Hack number 9, discreet self-defense. You want to choose small, legal self-defense tools that don't draw attention. Firearms, pepper spray, tactical flashlights, even a sturdy pen. If it's compact and easy to reach, you can make it work. Hack number 10, community connection. You can't do everything alone. Get to know your neighbors, share information, and have a plan to help each other out when things go sideways. Strong networks save lives, and it's proven time and time again. Want all these hacks in a handy printable checklist? Click the link below in the description and download the infographic. It's a free download and an easy to access quick reference resource. Drop your favorite small space prepping trick in the comments below and let's help each other out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay ready wherever you live.